There are a lot of AI tools out there that will help you with your business. And today we have Impact's AI expert Brianna here to tell us about one aspect of the tool Jasper that's going to help you out a lot. Take it away, Brianna.
So to get you started, I want to set you off with a Jasper tip that you can implement today. That's right, I said Jasper. Jasper AI Writing Assistant. This is a tool that a lot of you have probably heard of, and I'm sure many of you have maybe dabbled with and played with on your own. What I have found is our clients who utilize Jasper aren't always utilizing the Chrome extension. So can you utilize Jasper right within the tool itself? Of course. But what about LinkedIn? What about email? What about all the other areas and platforms that we work? Can I bring Jasper along to those platforms as well? And the answer is yes. Let's take a look at how we might utilize Jasper right within our own personal LinkedIn account. So if I go to create a post, I would originally just start typing away, right? When I clicked in this text box, you may have noticed this little icon popped up over here. That little icon is the Jasper icon. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Jasper to write a LinkedIn post for me. Here's my request. Write a LinkedIn post for impact, emphasizing their commitment to helping you become the most trusted voice in your industry. Act as a social media manager at Impact. This post should be conversational and focused on what the reader stands to gain by building trust with their client base. A few things happened after I put my copy in there. You may have noticed that a purple highlight went over my copy. It didn't go over all my copy right away. It took a second, and that's Jasper thinking. What Jasper is going to do is he's going to read our copy, and when he feels like he fully understands our copy, he's going to go ahead and highlight it in purple so we know that he is ready to carry out our command. You may have also noticed this little purple arrow popped up. When you hover over it, it mentions that you can run the command with Jasper, and that is exactly what we want to do. So let's go ahead and see what Jasper has to say. And the copy flows. Now, one thing I will notice here, this is a pretty large block of text. Could we break that up? Could you start over again and see if it creates something different? You can continue your conversation with Jasper right in this chat, or let's try that again and see what he creates. Same prompt. I'm going to give him some time to think, and let's see what he comes up with. Notice it's different, so it's not going to be the same every time. Trial around this and figure out what is going to sound most like you. But my key tip to you is to start exploring. Download that Jasper Chrome extension. See what other platforms you stand to have Jasper as your assistant for.
When used correctly and ethically, AI can help businesses write copy in so many different ways. Now that you know a bit more about Jasper and how to use it, go ahead and give it a try and tell us how it goes. Want more help with your business and AI training? Reach out to us at impactplus.com.